Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Uncharted Legacy of Thieves Collection game not launching or not opening, unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game, just go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So after checking the system requirements, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if you can play the game. Next is to run the game from installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Here you have to select the game, double click on it and then check if the game is launching or not. If the game still doesn't launch, run the game as administrator. For that, select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check you can play it. If not, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to select the game, search for the game first whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then see if the game is launching. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -d3d11 and now check if the game is opening. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. The next method is to run SFC scan. So for that, you have to open command prompt. So go to the search option, search for command prompt and here you have to copy and paste the command that I have already mentioned in the description. You simply have to paste over here, press enter. So this will scan for any corrupted system files and replace them automatically. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, simply select the game, right click on it, click on properties and here you can see enable the Steam overlay in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search options, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to check graphics settings of the game. So when the graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next solution is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. This will download Visual C++ files. You have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it. Wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game once again and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. It will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and try to play the game and see if it works. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select Custom Size. In the initial size, type 12288 and in the maximum size, type 24576. Click on Set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to install DirectX. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser. So after the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on the system. You have to open it, install it. After installing it, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, from here you have to search for graphics settings. So after it opens, you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding the game to the list, you have to click on the arrow icon, and after that, under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then the final solution is to reinstall Uncharted Legacy of Thieves Collection game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After your game is removed, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, now launch Steam and again reinstall Uncharted Legacy of Thieves Collection game, and finally click on the play button to check if it's working.